Connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to your iPhone is designed to be quick and almost automatic, but if you're doing it for the first time, it can still feel a little uncertain. Sometimes the setup animation appears instantly, while other times you might wonder if your AirPods are even being detected. This usually comes down to whether the case is open, Bluetooth is enabled, or the earbuds are in pairing mode. The good thing is that Apple has made this process very smooth once you follow the right steps. After the initial connection, your AirPods will automatically pair with your iPhone every time you use them, making the whole experience effortless and seamless. Try these. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and turn Bluetooth on from settings. Step 2. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case with the earbuds inside. Step 3. Hold the case close to your iPhone and wait for the setup animation. Step 4. Tap Connect when the pop-up appears on your screen. Step 5. If no pop-up shows, press and hold the setup button until the light flashes. Step 6. Follow on-screen instructions and confirm the connection.